As you know, I've had some issues with the computer in the forwarder. It was flickering the screen. My attempt to repair it did not really help. At some point, I might look at it again, or I doubt I will have it sent off and pay for a repair because I have a laptop set up. And I was actually searching for one of these Windows-based tablets. It's a Microsoft Surface. Um, when I had the computers, I thought this was a good unit to put in here, but I couldn't source one. Turned out a friend of mine had one that was not being used that I could have for free. So now I have it, and I can use that to do a little bit of a test if the software will run on a newer version of Windows, because on the other computer I installed Windows XP on a kind of new computer, and that caused some issues. And on a new computer enough, it will not be possible to install XP whatsoever from my research. But this one runs Windows 8.1. That's kind of outdated also. I will probably at some point, I actually have a second laptop, I might do a quick test that's running Windows 10 now to see if if the software can run on that also and function. I did have some issues with some configuration file being write protected, and in Windows 8 it was a little bit different, removing the write protection. But once that was sorted, I could set the correct COM port, because you need some drivers for that USB to COM port adapter. But it kind of future proofs the forwarder a little. If I have more issues, the laptop will probably not survive for a super long time with it being in a harsh environment like vibrations and moisture and so on. I do bring the laptop into the garage at some points if I know the machine is going to be parked for a long time, but sometimes it's left out there. So that's some good news regarding the computer problems in these old machines.